In this one, I'm going to be showing you my secret product research technique that will allow you to actually generate sales rather than just copying what everyone else is doing. So, as you can see, this represents a product that is doing well on Depop. Now, someone randomly stumbled across this product or even didn't drop ship it, but it just happened to also be available on AliExpress for drop shipping. And then each of these lines, all 10 of them represent one seller, or 11, sorry, represent one person on Depop drop shipping this product. Now, this product had good margins, emphasis on the had, past tense, but now it doesn't because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 people are all drop shipping this product because they saw someone that on Depop that is doing well with the product. This leads to your margins going down into the ground, making no profit, and to be honest, you're not going to get any sales either, because even though the product is popular, no one is going to buy it because so much people are selling it that you're going to get undercut and you're not going to get any sales. So if we can go on to another method of product research that isn't completely stupid, and this is my method that barely anyone I see uses. This big box represents AliExpress. This box represents the product that is already doing well that we just saw on Depop. This is everyone that's trying to sell it, just a big mess. So what you do is you get this product, put it into AliExpress, find the keywords, ask ChatGPT for the keywords, just put a C for ChatGPT, ask ChatGPT for the keywords of this product, and then put it straight back, those keywords, into AliExpress. Now, from AliExpress, you'll find multiple similar products to this one, and they are all going to hit the same target audience that this popular product has. Therefore, this will allow you to find multiple winning products that absolutely nobody has tapped into on AliExpress. And why this is powerful is because on each of these products, they will be sold by another AliExpress store. AliExpress is not just a place where there's single products being sold, there's actual full businesses on here. So you tap into this product, you'll find the store from this product, and then from there, you'll be able to find much more stores and much more products that are selling the exact same types of winning products without having to literally lift a finger. Just go from this store. From this one winning product, you've then gone on to AliExpress, found multiple other similar products. From those similar products, you've found the similar stores that sell those products. And from there, you've literally found thousands of similar products that will sell well. Now, this is all in theory. If you want to actually have access to a set list of around 100 or so AliExpress stores that sell winning products that you can literally just copy and paste into your store, that will win, that are untapped and unsaturated, join the school in the description. That's somewhere you want to be. If you actually want to make progress in this, it's called the Depop Academy, and you will make money. So if you actually want to, rather than navigating this complicated thing on your own, if you want me to hold your hand through it and actually help you make money, then join my academy in the description. It is on school and it's called the Depop Academy. I'll be waiting for you in there. But yeah, that is just the theory of this idea and this strategy, which will help you make money and no one is tapped into it.